Okay, it's cooking time for this crabs. My husband caught this one. He went fishing and he caught 17. Wow! Nakakuha siya ng 17 na crabs. And eto, etong panluluto ko. Going to use this one. Wow! Yan. Ay, naku. Alsa yun, alsa. Umaalsa siya eh. Masarap yan sa panluto. Wow, with beer. Hindi nga ako umiinom ng beer eh. Si Marlon ito eh. Heineken ba to? Ano ba to? Daddy? Ano tong beer na ito? But this is good. Pwede na to. Na marami na daw crabs ata. Kaya lang, very clear ang tubig. The water is so clear. The crabs, they cannot caught it. They cannot catch the crab.